Right, so welcome to the vlog, everybody. I just thought I should let you all know what's going on and what we've been up to. I think I might just need to put my hat on. It's unbelievably nice today, but you know, I put my summer shirt on being ridiculously optimistic, and of course there's a cold breeze, but that's what it's always like here. So this is the garden that I was mowing. It's looking fairly nice, or at least it's looking nice the bits that I actually managed to get mowed. The edges aren't quite so good, but we spent absolutely ages yesterday just trying to get this border kind of sorted out, a bit tidied up. So it's looking a lot better now. And I just thought I would come outside and have a think about what I need to do today. I've got quite a lot to do today. I'm hosting some kind of web seminar tomorrow for the EU on charity outreach, so I need to sort of flesh out the bare bones that I've written of sort of talking points on that. But that hopefully shouldn't take too long. That's going to be nice to have a piece of work to do tomorrow. So here we are, it's the next day, and I just taken Kieran into school. I don't normally drive him into school, but I just thought this morning I would, because it gave him a bit of extra time. He seemed really sleepy this morning. And then I just thought I'd drive into town afterwards and, you know, just get my little coffee and come down to the beach. You can't actually see the beach from here, but trust me, it's there over that little ridge of grass. This is just the links in Nairn, and it's a beautiful sunny morning. It's still cold, of course, but, you know, I'm trying to just enjoy how nice and sunny it is. But on the radio this morning, I don't know, the world is just its usual mess, isn't it? So it's quite exciting. They're choosing a new pope this evening. But then, you know, the second news item, India launching airstrikes against Pakistan. And it just really frustrates me listening to news, which is why I normally listen to Classic FM. Because honestly, you know, whenever they're doing talk shows and news, it just cements my feeling that the world is just full of chaos and it's never going to change. I think that's why I like nature so much. Just stopped at the traffic lights here because there's some roadworks, but I just love these fields. It's that time of year. In a few weeks' time, all of the dust and pollen from that will be all over the car windscreens, but it's still pretty nice right now. It's another beautiful day here. I probably should be thinking about picnics and bike rides and things like that, but, well, you won't believe it, but I'm thinking about the Roman Empire again. So it's interesting with this new pontiff, Pope Leo XIV. He was only elected a few days ago, and yet he's in the news already, making headlines because he's been critical of some men of particular authority in the US. And it's a shame, really, because all that he's saying is supporting the dignity of migrants and things like that, which shouldn't really be controversial in this day and age. But funnily enough, it got me thinking about the Roman Empire, or at least the end of the Roman Empire. I was thinking of St. Augustine, and just after the sack of Rome in the year 410, St. Augustine, he was an African bishop living in a place called Hippo, which is now in Algeria. And in his great book that took him over a decade to write, De Civitate Dei, on the city of God, he says, remova itaque justitia, you know, without a system of justice, what are civilizations but great robberies? And, you know, when he says this, he's kind of pointing towards a long legacy of abuse from Rome, from civilization, from men, mainly men in power, abusing that power. So it's just interesting. Well, it's a positive sign, isn't it, of things going forward. So I'm quite excited about these. Look at my roses. I think they might open today, at least open properly. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 buds just on this one bush. This one's not doing quite so well. And a couple of others. And strawberries are doing nicely. I'm going to get quite a good crop out of this, I think. There's a little pepper hiding at the back there that I just put in yesterday. And we've got some baby plum tomatoes. These ones are trilly. I've not heard of trilly before, but well, I'm expecting big things. At the very least, the leaves always smell so nice. And we've got some rocket just starting out here, which I really need to water because it's going to be another hot day. At least sunny day, not necessarily hot. I mean, it's hot now, but there's still that cool breeze.